Hello. Might stop talking now. Now, for you longtime fans, you know what's about to happen. The wait is over. I'm going to be doing a colonoscopy tutorial. But the bad news is I don't want to get demonetized, so I can't show anything graphic. So I guess I'll just have to draw it for you. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so one thing to mention is you cannot eat any solids for 24 hours before the procedure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to be drinking this toilet water for 24 hours. Add some extra flavor to it. I'm going to add this beef broth to it, and it's powdered. And let's get into that. Okay. Alright, let's take a bit of sips, because this is what I gotta be doing for the next 24 hours. Alright, I can do this all night. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. Been drinking that stuff, so I can't show you what's about to happen because I want to get paid. So I'm going to draw you my experience. So I guess we're doing my drawn to life video or whatever, so let's get right to it. So I guess this is my butt. Let's say that's my legs, I guess. Got myself some arms. Yep. Okay. So what I believe what happens is, like, you got your colon right here, and I guess your stomach. Yep. So I think what happens is here is a doctor puts a stick up your butt to detect for cancer, and this stick has like a camera attached to it and a claw. So like this right here is going up my butt. Okay, let's get a more detailed shot of that. Okay, so here, the thingy, this is the camera, this is the claw, and it's searching for like clumps of cancer. So there's one right there. So it's gonna grab that and pull it out right here. Okay, that's how a colonoscopy works. Thank you for watching.